Hello student. Today we discuss about the fertilization in the Markensia. In previous video I discussed about the Anthridiophore and Archegonium. So after the dehiscence of the Archegonium, the fertilization will be start. So in case of the Archegonium, as we already discussed the structure of Archegonium. So in the Archegonium, the venter canal cells and neck canal cells will be degenerate in mature Archegonium. When the Archegonium will be mature, the venter canal cells and neck canal cells will be degenerate and they forms the mucilaginous mass. So they can be absorb the water, swells out and create the pressures on cover cells. So these cover cells will be opened. And the mucilaginous mass will be oozes out and this mass will contain the malic acid. So they can invite the anthrozoids and this whole process will known as the chemotactic fertilization. So this happens in the most of these bryophytes. So what's happened in Markensia, Archegonium? These venter canal cells and neck canal cells, they will be degenerate and they can be forms the mucilaginous mass, so they can absorb the moisture, swells and they can create the pressures on the cover cell. These cover cells will be where it is present, so at the tip portion it is present. So these cover cells will be open out and these internal mucilaginous mass will be oozes out. So due to this mass contains the malic acid and these malic acids will invites or attracts the anthrozoids. Then motile anthrozoids will swims in water and they can be reaches to neck. It enters in the neck and reaches to the venter and then they will be united with the egg cells and they form the zygote. So the mature motile anthrozoids will become or they will be enter through these cover cells or they can be reaches up to the venter or they can united with the egg cell. When these egg cells and these anthrozoids will be united, they form the zygote which is having the diploid number, that is 2n number. This formation of zygote, that means there is the completion of the gametophytic generation and from that the sporophytic generation will be start. So these diploid zygotes develop into the diploid sporopod. So these diploid zygote is the initial stage of the sporophytic generation and ending stage of the gametophytic generation. So in this way the fertilization will take place in the Markensia. So it is very simpler way, but the main feature of this Markensia or any bryophyte, that is chemotactic fertilization, is takes place in the Markensia.